What's nice about cloud services is that it does give you peace of mind. What I've discovered is that I have a Mac laptop, I have a PC laptop, I have a variety of other devices. What I know is that when I sync my phone into my laptop and I do a backup of my laptop, I'm okay. If my data is in the cloud, if my computer is stolen, if my phone drops into the toilet, very, very common, my data's okay. It's stored. It's safe. I now consider my hardware devices to be disposable. You could drop it, you can break it, it could disappear, but my data is safe. This is a shell that allows you to access your information. It's a shift in thinking, it really is, but you know what? I don't worry about dropping my phone. I try not to, but I don't worry about it. It's not a huge, massive hit, not just a financial hit, but an asset hit as well. It's just not. Trust me, it's freeing, it's relaxing, it makes me feel good. So if you build into your monthly process to do the backups that need to be done, trust me, the shoulders relax, the peace of mind is there. The cost is very small. There's something called the freemium model. Have you heard of it? The freemium model is how we're getting things for free. I did hear something that said, if you're not paying for it, then you're the product. That one's pretty interesting. But also, how is it that it's $1 or $5 or free? How does that work? Let's take Google Docs as an example. How do you get Google Docs for free? If you are PG&E or Kaiser Permanente, a huge organization with thousands of employees, they're going to use the professional version of Google Docs, and they'll spend $30,000, $100,000 a month to use that software and use that service. Theirs will be branded, it'll have their logo on it, it'll look like Kaiser's website. Nobody can tell the difference. But when you and I use Google Docs, we're getting the free version. Kaiser is subsidizing. They are paying for the service. The individual users are so small that they can allowed to give us peanuts and then save the big entree for the big guys. There are slight differences between the paid version and the free version, but at this point, your service, your company doesn't have to pay for a tremendous amount. There's a lot of freemium tools. It's free, and then it goes premium. What I recommend is that you look at the free level of service. Evernote is a wonderful tool. It's a cloud storage service that allows you to save pictures, it allows you to save lists, it allows you to save anything you want, it has handwriting recognition, recognizes pictures, recognizes business cards. Love this tool. Evernote is amazing. So when I use Evernote, the great thing is that I can store a lot of data in there, huge lists of information, and it's there. Now, I use the free version of Evernote. But when I start to upload videos, when I start to upload whole photo albums, when I start to upload audio, what happens is I'm starting to use a lot of their cloud storage. And at a certain point, they're going to say, we love you, but you are going to have to start paying. So I'm using the free version. I don't need the paid version. I am using several paid versions of other tools. So I recommend if you're going to use something like Evernote, use the free version first. It must justify the payment. You must say, you know what? I love this service so much, I'm going to use all of the features. I need all of that storage. It needs to justify itself. The odds are you're going to continue to use the free version. Dropbox. I used the free version for a very long time, and then when I was ready, I was all in for cloud software. I put all of my data on the cloud. Now I pay for it. $9.99 a month for my own server? Yes, I would pay more. That's freemium. Free, you get advanced services when you start paying. The costs are minimal. Your budget is going to love you.